DIY 3-point lighting is an innovation project that facilitates students' practical work in learning the subject. Currently, students having difficulties in fully utilizing the current product during practical. Thus, they faced problems in setting up and conducting the 3-point lighting in the setting. This DIY product is innovated whereby students can fully do it by themselves with less assistance from their lecturers. A simple evaluation form was given to 20 respondents. The findings shows that 86.9% strongly agreed. 3 items with highest scoring are easy to understand 98.8%. The structure match syllabus requirements 95% and interesting 87.5%. This product do benefit everyone, including can be used as teaching aids, increase knowledge and mastery in learning, time and cost saving, portable, simple to handle and implemented everywhere. This project is in the process of commercialization to all the institution and can be used by students and lecturers.
Introduction. 3-point lighting is basically a method or a type of lighting setup where you have 3 distinct light source positions to illuminate a subject in a scene.
It involves using 3 light sources placed in 3 different positions, known as key light, fill light, and backlight.
It is a module in lighting fundamentals subject that students need to learn and understand well before heading to the next topic as 4-point lighting. Students faced problems in setup and conducting the 3-point lighting in the stated timeline. The problems are practical difficulties during setting up 3-point lighting, time-consuming due to adjust the lighting intensities, distance, height, direction in proper positions and angles. Challenging in terms of setting the tools, managing space and time. Lights get hot quickly and potential for skin burns and eye damage from prolonged exposure to the light source. Bulb burnout easily due to prolonged heat causing filament breakage.
The most important to be mindful of at all times is safety hazards. The lights will get hot quickly, power consumption, and problem as the bulbs burns out, improper connection and filament breakage. Challenging in terms of managing space, time, and budget. More experiment needed with different positions, angles, and by considering the intensities, distance, height, and direction of the light.
Objectives: to facilitate student practical work on learning 3-point lighting, to produce an easier and convenient method. Flow chart. Start. Identify the problem. Setting objectives. Project selection. Project preparation. Product testing success. If failure, troubleshooting will take place to check the product.
Design of DIY 3-point lighting. DIY 3-point lighting operation. Key light gives overall exposure. Fill light to fills in the shadows. Backlight shines on a subject from behind. Successfully performed the lighting setup.
Conclusion. Used as teaching aids for lighting fundamental module. Increase knowledge and mastery in learning. Time saving. Easy to understand. Simple to handle and can be implemented everywhere. Cost saving.